When a data team is ready to build, train, deploy, and monitor machine learning models, choosing the right managed platform matters. You want one that supports data engineering, model development, operationalization, and team collaboration without too much overhead. Today, we'll compare Databricks and AWS SageMaker to help you figure out which matches your team's workflow, scale, and environment best. Let's start with Databricks. Databricks is built on the idea of unified analytics, combining data engineering, data science, and machine learning in one interactive workspace. It supports notebooks, collaborative work, large-scale distributed training, feature stores, model registry, and end-to-end MLOps workflows. For teams already working with Spark, data lakes, and big data workloads, Databricks integrates smoothly into that environment. Its strengths include productivity for teams that span engineers and data scientists. It allows rapid prototyping while scaling up to heavy enterprise workloads. On the other hand, Databricks requires your team to be comfortable with Spark, notebooks, cluster management, and some infrastructure decisions, even though much is managed. If your team prefers very tightly managed services and very little infrastructure setup, there may still be parts to configure. Now let's turn to AWS SageMaker. SageMaker provides a broad, deeply integrated suite of services inside the Amazon Web Services ecosystem. It covers everything from data preparation, built-in algorithms, automated machine learning, AutoML, training, tuning, deployment, monitoring, and managed endpoints. For teams already using AWS for data storage, compute, and orchestration, SageMaker offers a familiar environment and tight integration with other AWS services. It emphasizes operationalization, model governance, scalability, and enterprise readiness. The trade-offs: SageMaker can feel more complex because it offers many moving parts and features. If your data team is smaller or wants a simpler workflow, navigating all the components may require more learning. Also, you're more tied into the AWS ecosystem, and costs can grow as you scale. In summary, Databricks is a strong choice when your data team focuses on unified analytics, large-scale data processing, collaboration across engineers and scientists, and you want to keep exploration, training, and feature engineering close together. AWS SageMaker is a strong choice when your team prioritizes deep integration with AWS, robust deployment pipelines, monitoring, enterprise-grade governance, and end-to-end model operations at scale. Neither platform is wrong. Both are excellent. The best one is the one your team will adopt, integrate into your workflows, and scale with. Choose based on your environment, your team's strength, and your growth path. Good luck building your ML platform.